used up all this gems and XP for nothing. Wait, where does extra level come from? I thought it was 47.
For the win.
Okay, so we have this beefed up equipment for no reason whatsoever, but that's what I feel like. Goodness, your hero must survive, defeat all 4 ogres under 6 statements. Hey, we did this before. Or something like it. It takes 2 attacks. Oh, it takes 2 attacks. I thought it was 3. The lies you tell. Right. Boom. 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 Oh, you're over here. Okay. Where are we going? Left. I feel like I don't want to do a whole lot of code with this one. Okay, it's saying something that it takes 2 attacks, so we're just gonna do it twice. No, let's not. Let's not do it twice, and just to see if it's gonna repeat the movement or not, and then we'll add in another attack. Let's see if that works.
I see you.
Okay, we don't have to do that. It's a wild loop. Bow. Yeah. Yeah. Great. So with this situation, it found the enemy, attacked the enemy, and it kept moving left. Since it's in like a continuous loop, it attacks the enemy until it's dead, and since it's the same just going left movement, that's how we were able to put it in a loop. Otherwise, if we had to do some other movements in the maze, it wouldn't have worked.